Hey guys, I'm Harim first to tell you in this tutorials how to find out sales area of any iPhone device. Yes, purchase, country, sales zones. How do I find out? This is very essential sometimes. Of course, when we would like to have a good configuration in cloud data and of course Apple database server while we passing removing the iCloud information population to have good configurations, good DNS of course on a particular country zones, particular of course sales area zones. So how would I find out so that we can customize the precise location of any iPhones? Is it has official phones. The spontaneous dance of course. If you would like to have the virtual locations to a genuine location, how would I know that this is not a genuine location and this is a genuine location of any iPhones? So easy way, this is a very important for bypassing. So that's why I would like to show you how do I find out. Tap on a setting guys. In the setting of course we will come in especially general. Manually if it is operational then of course you can come in a setup to general to especially we will have to click on about. In about so there is especially ZA yes ZA slash especially I mean A given here means this is a country code guys. How do I know that? These things you cannot find out on a particular any iPhones because if it is locked to on us or it is stuck to on a cloud activation like in that condition we know that yes we will have a IEMI number on a screen on a icons of I if you click that's there then of course that we will copy here and we will yes find out via that this sales model means of course we would like to show you here. I would like to see here yes we will tap on here and here is a model and when we click on a model number is just showing on a IEMI along with this visually show model number this is here and by that last 3 digit we will last one A so we can find out here that what's ZA is equal to A is for Canada and ZA slash so we see ZA from the Singapore. So Singapore and the Canada of course we can imply this especially this is the sales area of particular this device. So and this code of course I will give you links you can have or you can watch carefully all the code. By that you can find out ZA slash was especially A last one digit so it's of course basically from the Canada so you can have this ones. So by that also you can and the last one I will include that easily find out. We will have to go for an administration 3U tool, connect to data cable and of course we will click on a device to of course we will click on a info to here ZA this one. This is especially that is slash A and this code of course we will match here via this ones and of course this will be ISA. Suppose here this is a Canada so we would like to create on especially Canada and Singapore especially like the customs precise location while the bypassing of particular if it were locked to owners there. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. More information of course you can raise the query below the comment box and hard likes leave the feedback so don't forget it. This is all about in this video.